Ever stared at that payment declined by your bank message and felt that sinking feeling? You're not alone, and thankfully, fixing it is usually straightforward. Step 1. Reassure yourself while frustrating. A decline doesn't usually mean a serious problem. The first and most common culprit is simply insufficient funds. Double-check your available balance on your banking app or online portal even if you think you have enough. Account for pending transactions that might be holding funds. Next, verify your card details. A typo in the expiration date, the CVV code, or even a subtle mistype of your card number can trigger a decline. Carefully re-enter all information, ensuring it exactly matches what's on your physical card. Now, let's consider security flags. Sometimes, unusual spending patterns, even legitimate ones, can alert your bank's fraud detection systems if you're making a purchase in a different location or a significantly larger amount than usual. Your bank might put a temporary hold on the transaction. This is a protective measure. If you've checked your balance and confirmed your details, it's time to contact your bank. This is arguably the most crucial step. Call the customer service number on the back of your card. Explain the situation clearly. You're trying to make a purchase, and it's being declined. Be prepared to answer security questions to verify your identity. The representative can then check their system for the specific reason for the decline. They might ask about recent activity or if you've traveled recently. Once your bank identifies the issue, perhaps they need to authorize a specific transaction or update a security setting. They'll advise you on how to proceed. Often, a quick phone call is all it takes to get the green light for your purchase. With a little patience and clear communication, you can overcome those payment declines and get back to completing your transactions smoothly.